think I've hit a milestone, so I have to record this. I've made a manager script, which is basically a follow-along of Quill18's tutorial on Photon. Okay, so I've made a JavaScript version that does pretty much exactly the same things. Creates a room. It tries to join a room. If it can't join a room, it creates a room. And whether it joins a room or creates a room and then joins that room, it creates a ship. Okay, and then I've just written in a little bit where I've assigned my player input controller from before, and I've just said, okay, as soon as the ship is instantiated on the network, give that to the player input controller. So then the input controller takes over like it used to do. There's been some changes. So first of all, it gets called player script initialize the player. So nothing's happening until the player is initialized. There's no ship created. There's no inputs being taken or being used. Okay, so the player is initialized like normal. Ship object becomes a ship. Whatever the network instantiate ship was becomes the player ship, and then the player is initialized. Script variables, camera, then becomes initialized, and then from there on, it's just all history. So this is working here. And what we should be able to do is I've done a build. See all the networking going on the top, connecting, connected, authenticated, joined, lobby, disconnect, it failed, connecting to a game server, created, joined. Okay, and now it's created a ship, and this window here is flying that ship around. Alright, so I jump into Unity and do the same thing. Connecting, connected. So I should be joining this very same room that other ship is already flying around. There we go, so there's a bit of a glitch at the start, but there's definitely another ship in here. And what I'm going to do is find my ship here. I'm going to set the move speed down to 1, so that's not moving at all. Now in this game, I should be able to see it's moving around. Let's get other standalone build game here. I should be able to try and find this other ship. Okay, more space here. Where's this other ship as well? I can't see where I am in 3D space here. I had it a second ago. Anyway, before I flew off the other screen, you can see I was definitely here. Where is that other ship? Aha! So if I do a flyby, you should be able to see, here he comes, look up in the bottom corner. Collision course. Flyby. And those spheres I probably will hit. So yep, there we go. The sphere collider is even so massive. So yeah, amazingly, and I'm amazed it worked. I've managed to put it all together. Now there's nothing happening yet, and you can see the camera movement is awful, the shuttering. Definitely got something happening there. Well, I am absolutely amazed by that. It's happening. It is absolutely possible to do multiplayer and networking through Unity. That's just great.